All right, good morning, folks. It's almost 9:29 a.m. on Monday, June 16th. I'm just going to quickly check the news here. I don't think we have anything really major. I got some news at 10. I'm just checking the news for tomorrow because we got a bunch of things coming up. I like to check the news for both today and tomorrow because if there's major news tomorrow and nothing really today, usually that means that the market's probably going to prepare today. So in other words, the markets will be a little sluggish today in preparation for. They don't want to trade until the news tomorrow, but that happens sometimes, not all the time. But anyways, all right. So we got 7 seconds here in a market open, a cash open, and let's see what we get here. Already, I'm looking to sell here. Bring my stop down. See if okay, I got the first target out here. All right, let's see here if this will continue. I'm just gonna bring my stop down here. All right, so I got a good push down. Let's just see. It's either gonna get taken out here. And I'm probably gonna just move my target. Oops. Let's just take that out. Okay, there we go. All right, yeah, I moved my target up here just because this is actually a level that I was looking to buy, and I don't have a guarantee that's going to just push right through there, so I'm just going to take what I got there. Looks like, let's see, yeah, definitely got some some buying off of that level. Let's just see how this plays out here. As much as I'd like to buy here, the problem is that my stop would be way too wide for this kind of a trade. So unfortunately, I have to, well, not that I don't have a buy set up here, bottom line. Which is kind of a shame because yeah, I really did. I wanted to buy that level, but you know, it just didn't. There's no way I could do that. It just didn't set up for me down there. But this was a level I was looking to buy. Couple things. So I think I'm just going to call it a day because I already got a decent trade in this morning. The reason for the short here was simply that we had the market was finding support off this level. You can see there, and there's actually Just this, I've been noticing this happened Friday too. There was this gentle trend line here, but you see the market just found support off that level perfectly, and it's not something I can ignore when the market just bounces off of an area with that kind of perfection. So, if I see a setup there, it also happens to correspond with, this is the floor trader pivot, the S2, sorry, S1, the S1 pivot, and it just also happens to correspond with this level at 648 was actually a pivot yesterday, where the market found some pretty decent support off there, and so you end up with confluence in that area where you have this trend line, you have just the level itself, you have the S1 pivot, and it just makes for a decent level to look for a setup in. So if I get a setup there, I'm going to smash it. The reason for the short was we were trading. The market was finding support. It looked like it was going to push to the upside, and it already sort of did that. What happened was it started ranging in this area first, and then just popped above. But then, just before the market opened, it just wasn't getting any traction there, and so I just waited for the market to open to see what would happen with that candle, and we traded pretty decently right back into that range, pretty eagerly back into that range, and I just saw that there was no buying interest to. There was no bounce as it traded back. Yeah, there's the buying off that level. And we were close to this this main pivot, and also the top of the pre-market range was this level here, 678s. The market had already bounced off of that right here. So, anyways, I am going to call it a day, and that's it. Pretty quick morning. Take care, guys. Hope you all did well, and see you in the next video.